What does your to-do list look like, and why do we procrastinate on some of the most important things on them? Why does even the term to-do list make us feel so anxious? My name is Josh Zimmerman, and I am a certified life coach. In this video, we're going to talk about why most to-do lists set you up to fail and what to do about it. Most people overestimate what they can do in a day and underestimate what they can do over time. So your to-do lists are too long. They are out of control beasts. What you need is a few tricks and tools to tame them. First of all, get out your old friend's pen and paper. Trust me, I'll explain later. Now that you've got your tools, we're going to create a few different lists to help you create your daily list. This is the short, functional list that is going to help you through your day, and I'm going to show you how to create it. So first, the master to-do list. The master to-do list is a list of all the things you need to get done. So what I want you to do is go find all the different places you've made to-do lists. The apps, the stickies, the napkins, the paper towels, the toilet paper. Find all of them and compile them into one big master to-do list. Now what I want you to do is look through your master to-do list, pull out all the things you're procrastinating on. You know, all those things that you keep pushing to the next day and the next day. Yeah, those. Take those and put them on a new list. And we're gonna call that the procrastination list. Both of these lists are gonna look really scary and overwhelming, but I want you to know that's okay. Now we get to the fun part, the daily list. So I want you to look at your master to-do list and pick 2 to 3 things that you can actually do tomorrow. And remember, be realistic. We want you to be able to get these things done. Okay, now back to those beastly tasks on the procrastination list, and it's time to confront them with the SDA. So the SDA, that stands for single daily action. And I want you to pick one thing from your procrastination list, and you're gonna put it on your daily list for tomorrow. Now you have it. You know what you're gonna do tomorrow, and what you've done is you've reframed your list into something that is actually manageable. Before, when your list was too long, your focus was on the things you didn't do. So, for example, if you crossed 3 things off a list of 20, it didn't look like you did much. But if you now have a list of 4 things and you crossed 3 things off of it, pretty good. You set your boundaries for yourself, and what you didn't do is let those wild beasts overwhelm you. Here's the reason why I told you to go get that pen and paper. The actual physical movement and feeling of crossing something off a list feels good. It's so much more satisfying. By implementing these techniques, I hope you feel a sense of satisfaction rather than anxiety at the end of the day. Okay, I want you to like, subscribe, and make sure to ring that notification bell. And by the way, in the comments below, let me know what you thought of this video and tell me about your to-do list and if you have any extra tips to share with all of us.